the student, today we will discuss electrical field by two plates, two charge plates in between these. Either it is outside of these plates or inside of the plates, how we can generate this electrical field. Earlier we have learned in the single charge sheet or plate, the electrical field generated by this one is denoted by E equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, where the sigma was the areal charge density of particular charge plate. Now we have two conditions where two plates are arranged of the charge one, it could be same or similar, and other could be option would be oppositely charged. In that case, condition one, how it could behave the outside of the charge plate and inside of the plate, how could be the charge inside electrical field, outside of this to charge plate electrical field. Now we know the electrical field is the sigma, the areal charges. Again I am telling you areal charges because the plate is like this. It is a single side very thin plate. When you are taking the plate is very thin, so the sheet one you can say sheet. Though in molecular level, as I said earlier, this could be a number of layers of molecules where charge is only distributed over this surface. But in apparently you can at the very near about zero thickness, what we are considering hypothetically. Now the electrical field, you see, for this particular plate, this one, the electrical field will be outwards like this side, and electrical field this side for this one, and this one areal vector also. Okay, no need to consider areal vector because single side we have considered this one. We have to go first so that we can consider this one. And as it is the charge is similar charge, same charge. Now say if the sigma is the same, you can consider first one the sigma 1 and sigma 2 like this, different charge density. Then we will consider the same charge density. So electrical field here, this is E, same electrical field consider like this, right? So this side is negative and this side electrical field is positive. Okay, and similarly here this is negative and this is positive. Okay. Similarly here also for this plate, if you consider like this is positive. Now here it is not outwards. Now because this is this is attracting, right? So this is this side and this is this side. Okay, this is negative E, this is positive E, this is negative E, this is negative E, this is positive E. See, the outside of this one electrical field generated this one by you can say like this. Okay. So for this one, this electrical field over this one, you can say if it is this E, and this will be sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught. This side and this side also sigma 1, this will be negative and this will be sigma 1 2 epsilon naught. Right? And for this plate, this will be sigma 2, so this will be sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught, and this will be negative. And for this one will be sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. It is positive. Okay. Similarly, this condition, this will be also negative. So this is 2 minus sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught, and this is plus sigma 1 2 epsilon naught. Similarly, for this plate, this will be sigma minus sigma 2 epsilon, this is sigma 2, this is 2 epsilon naught, and this is plus sigma 2 epsilon naught. This is the value of this magnetic field. Oh, working by individual due to individual sheet. Now consider this magnetic field, electrical field is working, this is the value, and for this it is getting this one, and for this is getting a minus similar one. See, so electrical field due to this plate, this is this one, and electrical field this side for this one actually like this. So this is actually this and same direction, adding of this. So this is how much actually? This is minus sigma 1. Actually this is, you can write like this. This is minus sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, then this is, and this is minus sigma 2 epsilon naught. This side total field working outside the plate left hand side, and this side how much? This is again this one, and this field is working over here. So this is sigma 2, you can say sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught, and this is sigma 1, all are positive because of right direction, 2 epsilon naught. Okay, so this is coming sigma 1, you can say sigma 1 plus sigma 2 over 2 epsilon naught, and here it is coming negative 1 sigma 1 plus sigma 2 because direction is this one, so 2 epsilon naught. This is outside the plate. This is outside the plate. It is working over here. Now inside the plate. Inside the plate, you see one of the electrical field, this is working over this side and another is working over this side. So this is basically the middle, this one. In between these two plates, what is the field coming working over here? This is the related one, sigma 1 over 2 epsilon naught. This is right side, so this is positive, and this is negative side. So this will be sigma 2 over 2 epsilon naught. So what is this? Actually sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. See, this is the three condition. First one is this one, outside left hand side, fast LHS, left hand side of this one, plate. This is right side of the plate, and this is the middle side, middle of the plates, this one. This is middle, this is right side, and this is left side of the plate, right? Now in case of for this condition, you just consider if this one is same, if sigma 1 is equal to sigma 2, then this will be 2. This will be all 2 sigma. If sigma 1 equal to sigma 2, so we can consider like this. It is sigma, so this is 2 sigma over 2 epsilon naught, or you can say this is sigma by epsilon naught. If sigma 1 is equal to sigma 2. Similarly, it will be also 2 sigma over 2 epsilon naught. So this is also sigma by epsilon naught. And in the middle, if both charges are same, the areal density of the charge is same. Areal density, it is not the areal, it is the areal density, areal density. The sigma is areal charge density. Coulomb per meter square. That is Coulomb per meter square. So if it is sigma 1 is sigma 2, so this is sigma minus sigma, they both are same, so this is 2 epsilon naught, so this is 0. So inside 0 if the both areal charge density is the same. So hope you understand this one. Now we move to the second case. If the opposite charge plate are placed together side by side, what will happen in this one? Now see, for this left hand side, this is negative 1, this is the negative 1, because field, we are putting consider it is field, that means we are putting the plus positive unit charge somewhere like this, and we try to find out what is the field vector, field line vector working on that. So if it is positive charge place, think positive charge place over here, so this will be the repulsive one, so this is negative one, and negative is the minus sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught, and for this we are putting this one, what? Positive charge. So it will be attracted like this. So force will be in place of this one. Here the catch, we put the one positive Coulomb charge here, so it is negative 1 this one. So can we say the direction will be this side? No. So the direction of this side, direction of the field by this plate will be here. Remember this one, only thing. So this is unit Coulomb charge, test charge. To measure the field effect, this is positive 1, so this is negative 1. So this will be impact this side. So this is positive 1 instead of negative, this will be positive 1. So this will be sigma 2 over 2 epsilon naught. So this is basically sigma 2 minus sigma 1 over 2 epsilon naught, like this. Similarly, if you consider this one of the test charge here, the field effect here, putting, so this will be, now this is positive, this is negative 1, so field effect will be this side. So this will be negative, this side, left side, right? So this is the generated by this one, so negative 1, so this will be right hand side, what will be this one? This will be minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught, and for this one test charge, this will be this side, because this is positive, so it will repulse this one, so it is the positive direction, so this will be sigma 1 over 2 epsilon naught. So this is, we can arrange, right? We can erase this one, so we can consider only this case too. So this is left hand in this one, so right hand side will be again sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. And for the middle point, any in between, if you put a positive test charge, single unit charge, test charge to measure the field effect, so what will be? This will be positive, this one, repulsive this side, okay, and this will be attracted this side. So it will be only positive to negative, what we have found like this. So this field effect will be push this one, and this will be attracted this one. So in this case, what will happen here? So this field effect will be positive 1 as we write here, and this will be this side. So this will be also positive 1. So the field effect will be this one, middle field effect will be, this will be sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught, and this will be positive 1, so sigma 2. So sigma 2 over 2 epsilon naught, again the middle. So this will be sigma 1 plus sigma 2 over 2 epsilon naught. Now, as in case of this one, as you consider, if sigma 1 is sigma 2, then what will happen? In particular that case, if sigma 1 and sigma 2 is this one, so this is outside, so this will be sigma minus sigma. If both sigma are same and it's sigma, so this is 2 epsilon naught, so this is 0. That means phi is 0 here. Electrical field, sorry. So electrical field here it is 0. Similarly, here also electrical field will be 0, because this is the sigma 1 minus sigma 2. So this is also electrical field 0 here. And in the middle, what is happening here? In the middle it is happening 2 sigma 1 plus sigma 2, that is a sigma, so 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So this is sigma by epsilon naught. So in the middle here it is coming sigma by epsilon naught. Whereas in same positive charge, same charge plate, we found middle is the electrical field is 0, and this side is sigma by epsilon naught. sigma by epsilon naught, it was adding. It was actually adding of these two, and middle is 0 because both are repulsing each other, so it will here only one neutralizing the other, and here outside of the electric field, outside of the plate are electric field at 0, and in the center it is the twice because one is pushing this charge and one is pulling. So this is sigma by epsilon naught. So the oppositely charged in between the electrical field is similar to the same charge outside electrical field value, and it is the foundation, it is the basic. Will deal to the capacitor plates, because inside is electric field working, outside is no. So we can generate this electrical field from in between the plates. So hope now you understand the case to case. If two infinitely large uniformly charged plates are placed, or two oppositely charged uniformly charged plates infinitely large, what is the electric field outside, and in between that these are the 6 to 12 cases. And also if the areal densities are same, what will be the value? I think you have understood. Thank you.